I just got this new GorillaPod 1K kit. I am not real familiar with what it is, the exact name if I'm saying it right, but I'll put a link in the description if I can figure that out. Because if you're watching this right after it's been posted, or within shortly after it's been posted, you'll see I'm new to this, don't have a lot of videos, so I'm just starting to get some stuff. I've got my iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. I've kind of shot some stuff with that, and I'm working on learning how to edit and everything with it. But I'm excited because I just got some new stuff. I've ordered me a new camera, which I'll do an unboxing with. So I'm going to switch tripods here to another little setup and see if I can show this thing right here that I'm using. All right, so I switched this thing right here. Let me see if I can make this tripod stand up briefly here. Ooh, that's good. Believe it or not, I'm trying to show you the better of the two tripods. Yeah, well, we just got to make some adjustments here. There we go. That should work. Okay. Yes, it's a little crooked. But anyway, so I just got this GorillaPod, right? So I got it. I'm all setting up. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna film. I'm like, I'm just. Needless to say, that is not good. That's right. I don't even know. It looks like, I mean, it's bendy still. It's got the bendy properties that it's supposed to have. Doubt about this never ever being straight. And then if I don't know. So what I'm using here, what I'll do is I'll switch that to this, and then I'll show you what I got there. I'll head on it with the ball, which I'll put. You'll see. I'll flip it around. Maybe. We'll see if I can figure this out. Okay. So this is what I'm using. This little gimmick right here. It opens up kind of wide. That's the only problem. So it's really low. What I got this for, or it came with, this accessory came with my Zhiyun Smooth, whatever, one with the new one for my iPhone that I have a gimbal for it. That gimbal works pretty good. It's pretty cool. This was a little tripod that came with it, and what I found is also the little holder I have for my phone. I would just connect it directly to this, so I could walk around like that. I thought, well, man, I'm gonna upgrade like all the big shots and get me one of those high-end bendy GorillaPods. I got it, and you saw what happened. So this is the head off of the GorillaPod, like the top, which makes this a lot better. So what I had before I was showing you was, I mean, this is some ghetto ratchet shit right here. So anyway, so I put this on there. That way I can loosen this and adjust the angle so I can get like that. So you could put filters and look like a mutant puppy dog. So that was what I got that for, and I knew this was kind of a good piece for it. So we're gonna try it out, make it work. I hear the Manfrotto pod's pretty good. I think I like the feel of this one in my hand better than the one that's on now. This one, it just doesn't feel as, I mean, this one feels really good. That one doesn't feel good. This is a nice piece, and I can tell I mean, this seems really good quality. I don't know, maybe I don't know how to use that, because the first time I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. I'm gonna give it a try. It was like 35 bucks. It's the Joby GorillaPod 1K kit. The kit means it comes with this. I figured that out. Without the kit, it's just what it has right there. So it doesn't give you that ability to tilt and angle your camera. So anyways, I got a new camera coming tomorrow, so I've been kind of getting some stuff. Right now I'm using my iPhone X, and I want to see if, I can up my game a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to kind of stick with this for now, though. I kind of like this. I got the Canon EOS M50. I'll do an unboxing video. I got that. I think I might end up carrying that on this. It's trial and error, right? What are you going to do? All right, bottom line, like I said, I'm going to try this GorillaPod out, see how it works. I'm new to this. I'm having to figure it out myself, so I'm not going to beat them up too much and say this thing's junk. It's a lot of people use them. There's got to be a reason. It's probably user error on my part. I'll try it out when I get my new camera. Hopefully that comes tomorrow for that. But in the meantime, I'll keep you updated. I'll probably show it again and how it works with my new camera when I get it. Also, I'm doing this handheld, this whole thing with the GorillaPod because I figured that's how I'm going to primarily use this GorillaPod. I'm probably not going to set it down. I mean, I may find spots like if I'm at one of the Disney parks or something and see the adjustments here, I probably wouldn't do live, but see, I get it all adjusted and, you know, get it all not crooked. There we go. We're on my level there. Boom. And get it set up pretty easy. So I'm definitely not saying this thing is not good. I'm surprised, as you could tell. All right. So that's the Joby GorillaPod 1K kit. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like 35 bucks. I think I said that already. It's decent if you're looking for something like that. For small cameras, I wouldn't put a big DSLR on this. I'd say for like an iPhone, one of the point and shoots, or one of maybe the smaller mirrorless style cameras, this would probably work for. All right, thanks for watching if you stayed this long. And if you're so inclined, you can subscribe. If you're really a weirdo and think my content is so compelling that you need to be notified, you can hit the little bell button. Probably wake you up out of a deep sleep and let you know that I have posted something new. And you should run to your phone and take a look at it. Thank you very much.